Welcome to this video on intervention strategies for primary school children with mild specific learning disabilities, designed especially for special educators. In the next 10 minutes, we will discuss practical strategies for reading, writing, and math support, along with classroom accommodations that improve learning outcomes. Mild SLD refers to difficulties in one or more areas like reading, writing, or mathematics, despite average intelligence and classroom instruction. In primary school, challenges may appear as slow reading, difficulty forming letters, spelling errors, difficulty remembering math steps, or trouble organizing work. Early, structured intervention can significantly improve progress. Use explicit, systematic phonics instruction with repetition. Break reading into small steps: letter, sound link, blending, fluency, and comprehension. Use guided reading with decodable texts. Provide visual supports like color coding and word walls. Reinforce decoding strategies. Tap it out, look for chunks, blend slowly. Praise every attempt to build confidence. On-screen text, systematic, multisensory, repeated practice. Teach handwriting with multisensory techniques: tracing, skywriting, sandwriting. Use graphic organizers for sentences and paragraphs. Teach spelling using phonics-based patterns rather than rote memorization. Provide sentence starters and word banks. Break writing tasks into small, manageable steps. Offer assistive technology like lined paper, typing, or spell check tools. On-screen text, model practice support. Use concrete-pictorial-abstract teaching. Start every lesson with real objects, then pictures, then math symbols. Teach number sense through counting, grouping, and visual models. Break math steps into simple chunks using checklists or cue cards. Give repeated practice with manipulatives like counters, beads, or base 10 blocks. Use games to strengthen skills in a fun way. On-screen text, concrete, visual, step-by-step. Provide extra time for reading, writing, and tests. Use shorter assignments or break long ones into parts. Seat the child close to the teacher for quick checking and support. Use visual schedules, anchor charts, and cue cards. Provide frequent feedback and celebrate progress, not perfection. Maintain regular communication with parents. On-screen text, accommodate, support, encourage. With structured phonics, multisensory learning, visual supports, and consistent accommodations, primary school children with mild SLD can make strong progress. Your role as a special educator is vital in building confidence, independence, and a love for learning. Thank you for the work you do, and thank you for watching.